So if you're looking to improve the stability in your core, obviously the classics are your plank. So plank is pretty simple. But let's say that you've had a sore back, or you've been injured, or you're just trying to get some strength back. You want to start nice and simple. So at the moment, I'm just letting my body relax and slink onto that. All I'm going to do is I'm going to lift myself up. I'm going to hold onto my knees. So that's a lot easier than, see how I'm kind of like just tensing my abs? Been doing these all day, so essentially my abs are kind of shaky at the moment. And if you can, hold for like 30 to 90 seconds. You can go longer if you want. And if you want to hold long enough that you have to be able to breathe. And that way you're learning how to hold tension in those muscles while breathing and talking. Once that's easy enough, then you can go into your full plank. And that's just coming to a push-up position. Now, what you don't want to do is this, because that's just going to add pressure through your joints of your spine. You want to bring it to 90, have that feel good. If this is a little bit too challenging, you can make it a bit easier by bringing your bum up. But if you can, you want to get it to about 90 and just hold 30 to 90 seconds at a time. You can always go a little bit more if you want, but at least long enough where you have to learn how to breathe while keeping those abs tense.